Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is a set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degrees, what is A complement? Now, here we are talking about a set in which the set is filled with triangles in a plane. Set comprises of triangles in a plane. Now, if A is a set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degrees, what is a complement? Which means we have to look out for a triangle. Now, A is a set with one angle different from 60, which means the possibilities is the most important word in here is at least, because over this word means that in the given set of triangles we have in the given set of triangles we have at least one angle different from 60, which means now we have now triangle consists of three angles. Let's make one. Triangle consists of three angles, one over here, and the other one over here. Now, the condition is at least one angle should be different from 60 degrees, which means one angle should not be 60 degrees, but it has said at least one angle, which means it should be either one angle, it should be either, I'll remove these angles, either one angle not 60 or two angles not 60 or three angles not 60. At the max we can have only three angles not being 60 degrees, which means all of them are different angles. In the first black colors, in the one which is marked with black, or else I'll mark it with another color totally. The first one is blue. The angle which is marked in blue indicates that one angle should be different from 60 degrees, which means the possibility being the rest two angles can be 60, but this angle cannot be 60. The red marks indicates that these two angles must not be 60. That means they can be 70, 75, 80, 120 or any other angle, but they cannot be 60. The third orange color indicates, the orange angle indicates that the three angles should be different from 60. That means the three angles will be totally different angles from 60. Now, the remaining one last possibility is at least one angle is here, which means that zero angles being different from 60, which means all angles are 60, which means we are talking about an equilateral triangle wherein all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, which means all the angles are 60, which means that is the only possibility left out. When we call the case of at least, it involves all these cases, which means the complement of this case, the complement of all these cases where all these angles are different from 60 will be the angle which is equal to 60, which means it's an equilateral triangle. So the A complement is an equilateral triangle with each angle being 60 degrees. Let's take a quick look at the solution. Here U is a triangle and is a triangle and has at least one angle different from 60 degrees. A complement is union minus universal set minus A set, which means a triangle having at least 60 degrees, which means you've reduced from that, you get a triangle which has all angles equals to 60 degrees, a set of equilateral triangles. Let's look at the next question.